Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a presentation in the Google Slides app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up Google Slides. Here it opens up like this. From here we just have to select the document that we want to work on. Tap on the three dots next to its name, scroll down, and at the very bottom we find remove. If you tap on this, the app is going to ask us if we are sure about removing the said document, and if we decided that yes, we actually want to remove it, we can just tap on move to trash, and afterwards it's going to stay in the trash can for a month, and then it's going to be deleted forever. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.